Hello there. This is a brief explanation of a 3D CAD model, an example of a 3D CAD model that you could expect from an initial piece of concept design or concept and feasibility work. So this is a project I've been working on recently as an existing house. So usually model up take a survey if required. If it's a new build, obviously we wouldn't need to survey a house. And then model the existing and then come up with a proposal in the form of this using this 3D Revit software. So this in this example is the existing model, and here I would show the proposed model. And the benefit of obviously looking at something in 3D is that we can really get to grips with the design proposal and observe it from many angles. We can go inside and look around, and we can also zoom around, all angles of the exteriors and have a good discussion about things. We can also test where the sun comes in. It's really useful, these models, to be able to see what the sun's doing on at certain times of year and certain parts of the day. So that's what the level of detail we'll go into. We don't need to focus on the interior at this stage in terms of the internal finishes, because the next stage will be to planning, and they don't really care about what's happening inside. So it's more about the external finishes, but it's not kind of a photorealistic, but it's enough to get a good sense of how the project might evolve. Obviously, in order to create this model, we do need to be working with plans and sections. So we will produce plans as well, of course, plans and various other sections. There is the opportunity as well to look at those plans in a kind of 3D view, which is just quite useful to get a feel for the spaces. Okay, that's a summary of the 3D modeling software you can expect from a concept and feasibility piece of work.